Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63S AMG Coupe, and it is equipped with a Stage 2 remap by DMS Performance. It's not just power and performance to shout about with this car. We would consider this to be a spec monster. Just to quickly skim over the specification of this AMG, this is a Premium Plus package, which means it comes with the panoramic glass sunroof, the adaptive suspension, the multi-beam headlights with the adaptive high beam assistant plus, the performance bucket seats, and the exclusive leather package. And that's only just naming a handful of the items from that package, but this also benefits from an additional £6,100 of factory optional extras, including the head-up display, the driver assistant package, and the carbon fibre interior trim with the little analog clock in the centre console. This car is going to benefit from our unrivaled 40-hour detailing preparation process. We seriously recommend giving us a call or heading over to our website to view the full specification of this car, as it is enormous.